DoggieDiamondsTV.com. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Doggie Diamonds. You already know because you're on Doggie Diamonds TV, my YouTube, and I want to show you how to make hand sanitizer with products that you might already have in your home, or you go out and buy some of these products. And you can make hand sanitizer yourself just in case you can't find hand sanitizer. That's very inexpensive. It's not going to cost you a lot to make it yourself. And even if it does cost you a little bit, you can stretch it for a while and have hand sanitizer and make some for everybody in the home. So, and this is right on the fly. I didn't rehearse this. I'm just doing this all in one shot. So hopefully everything comes out well, which I know it will. But it is what it is. Okay, so this is hand sanitizer that I bought before. You can see the consistency of it. It's a little runny. I don't mind it like that, but sometimes it's a little too runny. And I don't really like it runny like that. Some people probably don't mind. I don't like mine's runny like that. This is more of the same. This just has a pump on it. This is one that I bought before. This was about $6.99. This was about $6.99 for these bottles right here. I bought this one. This stays in the kitchen at all times, right next to the dishwashing liquid. And this one is in my bedroom. And sometimes I was filling up some of my small bottles with this. I just bought this. So, and then I made this one previously. Now you can see the consistency of this one. This is a little thicker. This is not as thin and runny, and I kind of like it like this. But you know, some people might like it thin. Some people might not mind it like this. It's all your preference. Whatever you want it to be like is your prerogative. You could do whatever you want. If you want it like this, I'll show you how to do it like this. If you want it thin like this, I'll show you how to do it like this. Now, what is hand sanitizer? I'm not going to read the ingredients and all of this. I don't know what all the ingredients is. And just like how when I cook food, I go off of the taste and some of the things that I can taste and see in the food. So I go off my imagination and I like to build off of that. So to me, hand sanitizer is alcohol. I smell a lot of alcohol in the hand sanitizer at all times. So we know that that's one of the ingredients in hand sanitizer is alcohol. Also, you need some type of lubricant, something that's going to make it a little loose and not, you just don't want to just put alcohol on your hands and rub it in. So you need something, and you can't put lotion in alcohol. I don't think that would be a good hand sanitizer. So my idea was aloe vera. You know, so a lot of people use aloe vera. I bought this bottle of aloe vera when I went to Mexico last summer, and I got a very bad sunburn. So I bought this bottle of aloe vera and put it on my sunburn, and it helped me. I didn't know what to do for sunburn, and aloe vera ended up helping me. And this is very good for your skin, also your hair, different things. So you can use aloe vera for different things. So I already had this bottle, so it worked out. So this is the bottle that I made before. And again, like I said, this consistency, I didn't mind the consistency, but you don't have to have your consistency like this. And to me, a good hand sanitizer I would use some alcohol, I would use some aloe vera, and then you can use essential oils. This one is an orange one. This one is a tea tree oil. So whatever you want your hand sanitizer to smell like, you just do that. So for me, this is what I would do. I got a funnel right here. So I will put this funnel in there. Take a little alcohol, because this is an empty bottle of hand sanitizer that I had previously. So I would take this. Oh, this is brand new. I didn't even open it. So let me open this really quick. Let me just poke a hole in here. I ain't got to get all fancy and all that stuff. Yeah, so we would just take, and this is green alcohol too. You know, green has a different smell to it. So you might not even need essential oils, because green alcohol already has like a menthol, minty smell to it. Let me see. Yeah, it already has that. And I like green alcohol for some reason. I don't know. So you would take a little alcohol. Hopefully I don't spill it. All right, so you see the alcohol in there, in the bottle. Put a little alcohol in the bottle. Then I would just take a little aloe vera, dump that in there. Dump the aloe vera in there. You see? Put the aloe vera in the bottle. Aloe vera gets in there. Then take the cap that you have from this right here. Hold on, let me put the cap on it. Shake it up. And you see it's still a little runny. But if you look at the consistency of it, look, let me get in the camera. You see the consistency of it. It looks a lot like this. See? You see how runny that is? This one I made was a little thicker. But look how runny this one is. It almost looks like that. So it's not as loose as alcohol, but it's not as thick as aloe vera. And you just do this like this, and yeah. So you see that amount. Now, the reason why this bottle right here, when I bought this, was $11. You can get this at any beauty supply store. This bottle of alcohol, alcohol is very, very hard to find. And the percentage of this alcohol is only 50%. But this bottle was $1.99. Now, 50% alcohol is better than no alcohol at all. So this is a bottle that I've had. I had this bottle for a long time. But you see the consistency of it. So basically, you got a hand sanitizer. You see it's mostly alcohol. And it has a little aloe vera to lubricate it. And if you had white alcohol and you didn't have the green, like I said, I have the green alcohol. So it already has like a menthol, minty smell to it, which I like. And if you didn't have that and you just had white alcohol, you could just put a few drops of your essential oils in there. Like I said, this is orange. You also have tea tree, whatever you want, lemongrass, whatever you want, you could put in there. I think in this one might be eucalyptus, but you see the consistency. And if I wanted to thin this out, I would take some of the white rubbing alcohol I have in there and thin it out a little bit. But I like this bottle like this. So now I have another bottle. And you see, if I was to take and put more alcohol in there and put more in there, I would fill this bottle up and I wouldn't even use that much. So if you had this and you had this, you can make plenty bottles like this for your whole family. Give everybody a bottle. So let's test it out on my hands and see. Let's see what the consistency looks like on my hands. Hold on. We would dump it out. You see? Look at the consistency right there. You see? And you just rub it in. You see? It's very thin and it goes in. You got hand sanitizer. It's not greasy at all. You just cleaned your hands with alcohol. So you're not going to spray alcohol directly on your hand. And it smells good. It smells real good. Damn, that green smells good. And if you see that consistency, look, let's compare the consistency. You see this one from that pump. That has a little bit more aloe vera. Now, if you see this one, look at this. Almost the same consistency. I could put a little bit more aloe vera in there if I want and have the same consistency, but I prefer it to either be on the runny side or the thick side, whatever you want. So I'm going to mix them. So yeah, just like that. I'm dropping stuff. Don't worry about it. Just like that, I got hand sanitizer. So you can make hand sanitizer right in your crib with products you already have. So this is Doggie Diamonds. I just wanted to show y'all that, took a break from the hip hop talk, the social commentary, to do some survival tips. I hope the camera's not too close and all that, but this is it. So, damn, that smelled good. Yeah, the green alcohol is good. So this is green alcohol. Let me look at the label really quick. Yeah, this is, winter green. Yeah, it's for rubbing. Most people use this to massage, and when you have achy feet and stuff like that, you use green alcohol. So I have green alcohol. This is 50%, and this has winter green. It smells very good. So you don't need the tea tree oil or any essential oils with that. So you mix that. So look, right in here, I got hand sanitizer. So I could go outside with this, put the lid on it. When I'm out and about, I'm in the street. Hey, I could just use the, I almost showed you the label. I think I did. I could use this right here. And you see an amount of alcohol in it, and you just put a little bit on your hand and rub it. It doesn't feel greasy. It also doesn't dry your hand out because the aloe vera is not drying. And the alcohol, if you spray alcohol directly on your hand, it could dry your hands out. But with that combination, it doesn't dry your hands out. So that's how you make, you seen the label, whatever. That's how you make hand sanitizer in the house. So pardon my little thing right here. I just did this really quick for y'all. I was just thinking of something to do to really show y'all in these times. I know many people are having a hard time finding hand sanitizer, and you might already have aloe vera in the house. You might already have a little bit of alcohol, or you might buy alcohol and say, damn, I can't just be spraying alcohol on my hands. I need a way to dilute it. I need a way to make it where it's usable without drying my hands out. I just showed you how. So that's what it is. This is Doggie Diamonds. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell for all notifications. I'm going to do more videos like this. More do-it-yourself videos. I have a lot things that I want to show y'all. And in this times, with all this madness, we can't always find these bottles. And this bottle right here is $6. So let me show you something. This was $11. This is $1.99. So you got $2 and $11, $13. This bottle was $6.99, so that's $7. But look what you got in this one bottle, and look how much you can make from this bottle and this bottle if you combine them. You see the little dab that I put in there. Look how much is already in there, and that's a couple of uses. So if you was to fill it up halfway with alcohol and a few drops, you would only take the alcohol probably there. So you can make plenty, way more of this with these two, for $11 and $1.99. So you do the math, do the math. It's just, mathematics, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. It's Doggie Diamonds. I'm not going to keep y'all any longer. Thank y'all for watching it. I'm out of here. Until next time. Peace. Peace.